Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open an Acura TL hood from the outside. First, locate the hood release lever inside your Acura TL. It's usually found on the driver's side, near the kick panel, or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound, indicating that the primary hood latch has released. This initial step is crucial for gaining access to the secondary latch mechanism. Now move to the front of your Acura TL. The hood should be slightly ajar, creating a small gap. Carefully look into this opening, directly above the grille. You're searching for the primary hood latch mechanism. It's typically a metal component situated in the center of the hood's leading edge. This is the first physical latch you'll interact with from the outside. With the primary latch located, it's time to release the secondary safety latch. This is a crucial safety feature. Reach your hand into the gap, feeling for a small lever or tab. It's often positioned slightly off-center from the primary latch. Gently push or pull this secondary latch while simultaneously lifting the hood upwards. This action will fully disengage the hood, allowing it to open completely. After releasing the secondary latch, you can now fully lift the hood of your Acura TL. Once it's open, locate the hood prop rod. This rod is usually attached to the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Carefully extend the prop rod and insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This will securely hold the hood open, allowing you safe access to the engine compartment for any necessary tasks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.